Patingin nga.
Dumating na.
Oh, diba?
Ah, wow! It's so
Nakakaloka.
nice.
Masok.
Put it on the side for now.
This is really a true unboxing. We're here at Louis Vuitton.
Live.
Yeah, live. Hello, my lovely St. Joseph Peps. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Louis Vuitton. So I'm here with my sister there, Chai, because she will get her order. The Louis Vuitton in collaboration with Murakami. Yes, so I'll see you later. There are the shoes. Patingin nga.
Dumating.
Oh, my beautiful CA here. Oh, diba?
Ah, wow! It's so
Nakakaloka.
nice.
Masuot nga yan.
God, it's so pretty.
Oh my god, it's so nice. Limited perfume. And this is the bestseller perfume for women. I don't know how you pronounce this. And this is 23,000. And this is the case. And this is refillable. I want to get this. Yeah. Nice. This is a bag charm. Small Alma. Oh my god, I don't know how much is this. This is so nice. Already saw this in one of my reels. Yeah, the backpack. So here and the shoes, the sandals. And this is so cute. It's like picotin. Yeah. And the Speedy 25. Yeah, I like the pants. And then the carry-on. This is 230 plus. And this is leather. This also 200 plus. 256 yata to. And the Alpha Baby. This is my favorite. Yeah. Actually, Alma Baby is one of my favorite bags here in Louis Vuitton and the Capucine. And the trunks, all the trunks, definitely, because Louis Vuitton is known for their trunks. Yeah. And the Never Full. Here, the Never Full. Yeah. And let's see the pouch. O, diba? Ang pouch na ganyan. So yun lang yung LV lang. So if you want, just visit Louis Vuitton here in Greenbelt and look for my lovely CA Algen, and then in Soler, my Debonair CA Der Patrick. This one, what I love with this, you can remove this and you can wear this as a necklace. Oh, diba? This is so nice. Actually, I love this. Nice to. Nice talaga to. And may strap to inside eh. And I love these shoes. Yan no. These the shoes and details niya. Actually, I love these shoes. Cute. Cute tong shoes na to. Super nice. So, ito yung strap niya. So nice. I love this. Ang ganda ng chain kasi. I don't know if it's part of the collection, but this is one of my favorites here, the Capucine. This is also my dream bag here. Yeah, nice.
Hello! So, i-unbox natin. This one first.
Ta-da-da! My love is my Jossie Tips. My special guest for this feature is my gorgeous CC, Chai Chen, who is an upcoming TikToker star. So follow her in her TikTok and IG. And we're so pretty excited to see the item she pre-ordered during her birthday bash at the VIC room of Louis Vuitton. And so happy to accompany her. And I told her that we will do this through unboxing. And she agreed.
This one first.
Oh my god! I'll get mine soon.
So this is the Takashi Murakami collection. And the Sunnies in white and pink variant. So let's try this. Let's open this up.
Ta-da! Ang so pretty. Super nice. Super nice.
And of course, this is limited edition. As Aljan said, this is already sold out.
Yes.
So you probably can't order this anymore. But Jack will still
Yes.
have hers.
Yes, soon. Very soon.
Pre-ordered. Very cute.
So, sis Norma, sorry.
Yeah.
Nauna kami. Ang ganda. Super.
Then, let's open
Next,
this other one.
the other one.
So just put this here first. And we'll just put it on the side for now.
This is really a true unboxing. We're here at Louis Vuitton.
Live.
Yeah, live.
Alright. I don't want to ruin this kasi I'll take a photo pa later. Pero, ayan.
Ay,
Ganito
super
muna din.
nice.
It's
Kasi
so cute.
there's the panda. Yeah, ang nice pala. I didn't see that kanina. Nice. And can be a bag charm, no?
Yeah. OMG. I'm gonna do that. I'll make it a
Yeah.
bag.
Oh my God, that's so nice. I thought there's no panda on it. So it's like the yayoi.
And this one says Louis Vuitton Murakami.
Yeah, Louis Vuitton, Murakami.
Chic. This one is also cute because it has the panda design.
Super line. Ta-da-da! Wow, is that the Twilly?
This is a Twilly.
Oh my God, that's so nice. Ah, you got the brown.
Yes.
Okay, I'll get the
It's
white.
very versatile.
Yes.
I'm gonna use it like as a headband. I guess today.
Ah, yeah,
I'm putting it as a
actually, I thought you got the white one, but that's nice that you get the brown.
headband. I'll put it on later.
Yes. So you have to remember the styling of Mir. Okay.
Look at the cute design of
Super
with the
nice.
panda, and at the back, there's the back of the panda.
Yeah. The butt of panda. Super
one's-
nice.
Oops.
Nicey, nicey. Ang ganda. Yes pala the brown. No?
Yes.
Okay.
And
Next.
the last. This is the last package.
The last
The
package.
last package.
Ta-da-da!
This one also has the Murakami ribbons.
Yeah. There's no panda
I'll just ask
na.
Aljan to wrap it again.
Yes.
Because I already ruined it.
Is that a black? Ay! I'm so excited with the black one.
So this one is the other version of that other shade.
Yes.
So let me wear this. Let's see how it looks like. Oops, ow.
Oh, I love your shades.
This is my favorite from Louis Vuitton.
Dun!
Open this cutie up.
Oh my God. Ta-da!
So it still has the pouch. But let's slowly.
Oh my God! Slowly.
Slowly.
Oh my God! Parang I prefer the black one.
Diba?
Ang
Kasi
nice
it's
ng
very-
black.
It's very versatile then. Like for an everyday
Oh my
use.
God! Oh my God!
think-
Jermaine will love it. Oh my
I
God!
think-
Parang
I think-
it's bigger than the white. It looks, it looks bigger
because of the print.
because of the print.
So,
Parang I like the black now.
let me change this up.
Yes.
And I'm gonna wear this one.
Oh my God, ang ganda. Ang ganda nung black.
So let me just flip my hair a little bit. Oh.
Ang nice. Ang nice.
And it fits my face pretty well, I guess.
Ang nice. Super. You're so slim na talaga, sis.
Thank you, sister.
Keep it up. Keep it up. Ang ganda. Okay.
Pag walang flash, alisin mo yung... Ay, alisin mo.
Ay, oo nga. That's so nice. Parang mas maganda yung black.
Kasi for everyday use.
Eh, kaya lang kasi I have the yayoy na eh. Ganda.
Diba?
Ganda niya.
So
So, here, ito yung black. Here, ang ganda ng black dear. Actually, mas okay yung black yata. Yan. Ganda dear. Ang ganda dear. Ang ganda. Yan. Super nice. So, ito yung ano niya. So dear, this is your shades. You know who you are. Yan.
Sister, para bumili na
Yan.
siya.
Ang ganda niya. Actually, black is for me is better than
Oo.
the pink and white, no? Kaya lang, the pink and white is my personality. But this is for you, my dear.
Yes.
Ang ganda niya. This is so nice. So this is the limited Louis Vuitton Murakami sunglasses in white and pink. And this is the here. Oh, this is 30,000. Yeah. Nice, no? Super nice. And that's a wrap for now, my lovely made Shasi Pips. Oh my goodness, we super love this Takashi Murakami collection of Louis Vuitton. So you better visit Louis Vuitton for you to see them in person, and definitely you will love them. And if you will go to Greenbelt, just look for our lovely CA Algen. And if it's in Solaire, just look for a Debonair CA Patrick. Okay? Until next time, I love this, my Jossy Pips. Mwah! So this is the...
Yes.
And my dream bag. If ever this will be my first Louis Vuitton Alma
Oh,
Louis bag.
yes.
And this is so nice.
Oh, that's
God.
very nice.
This is my
I
dream
love the
bag,
ribbon.
actually. And
The
And
ribbon bow
I'll
design.
get my shades soon.
You should get your shades
Yeah,
soon,
this
sis.
is this is Norma, sorry. Nasuot ko muna yung sa'yo. So this is the Sunnies of our CC, Miss Norma.
For Norma.
Yes. Yeah. Nice,
Takashi
diba?
Murakami.
Yes, super nice.